Hello friends, I'm Engineer Nasir. In this video, I will explain you how to select linear slot diffuser. How to select a linear slot diffuser, we will do a sample exercise for a room having dimension 30 by 20 square feet and the total airflow value 800 CFM. We are using two number of grills to supply air for this room and the airflow for each grill is 400 CFM. Now we will select for it the linear slot diffuser length, number of slot and slot width. Now we will select the linear slot diffuser for these parameters. Total throw 400 CFM, throw value 20 feet and C value 30. First we will select from the table for 3-4 inch slot width slot diffuser. As we have total CFM 400 and in this row you can see this is CFM per feet. Let us try for 4 feet length, which is standard. So the CFM per feet will be 100, so we will select this column. Then you can see for one slot the NC value is greater than 50, not accepted. For 2 slot also, then for 3 slot 38, for 4 slot 31, for 5 slot it is 24. Then we will see the throw value 33 and we need 20, it is more, so we cannot select it also. Then we'll see for 6 slot and C value is less than 20, it is okay, but the throw is 35. Then for 7 slot throw is 34 and for 8 slot throw is 32, which is more than 20, so we cannot select any slot diffuser from this table for 400 CFM. Now we will try for 1 inch slot width. So let us select this column for 100 CFM per feet. For 1 slot NC level more, for 2 slot 44, for 3 slot 33, for 4 slot 25, but the throw is 33, which is higher than 20. Then we will see for 5 slot also this throw is 31, we cannot select it also. Then we will go for 6 slot. Here NC level is less than 20, but throw is 29, it is also higher. For 7 slot this throw is 27. Then for 8 slot throw is 25. Now let us increase the length of slot diffuser. Now we will select for a length of 8 feet, so the CFM per feet will be 50, so we will select this column. For 1 slot NC level is 41, for 2 slot NC level it is okay 28, but the throw is 24 and we need 20. Then for 3 slot throw is 24, for 4 slot the throw is 23. We'll go down now. For 4 slot the throw is 23 and for 5 slot we found the slope exactly 20 feet as we need, but as we are selecting the linear slot diffuser of length 8 feet, so we need to multiply this throw by 1.3, then it will become 26, which is also greater than 20. Now we'll go for the next table, which is for 1 inch slot width. So we will select this column for 50 CFM per feet from here. Then we will go down. For 3 slot we have the NC level less than 20, but the throw is 21, it is higher. Then for 4 slot throw is 18, and for 5 slot we found the NC level less than 20 and throw is 16. So we will multiply this 16 and 18 by 1.3, we will see which is suitable. So after calculation we found the throw which is 16. After multiplication it becomes 20.8. So we will select this linear slot diffuser, length 8 feet, throw slot width 1 inch and number of slot 5. So in this way we have selected a linear slot diffuser for 400 CFM, maximum throw value 20 feet and maximum NC 30, a linear slot diffuser of length 8 feet, number of slot 5, and slot width is 1 inch. So in this way you can select linear slot diffuser for a given parameter for supply air. If you need to select the linear slot diffuser for return air, then you need to add a value 4 to all NC level given here. Suppose you can see here the NC level is 21. If you are selecting the return air linear slot diffuser, then you need to consider it 21 plus 4, 25. So the NC level here will be 25. All throw data in this performance sheet are based on 4 feet length of slot diffuser. If we need to select different length than 4 feet, so we need to multiply this value in the performance sheet by, if we need to select 1 feet length, then by 0.6. If we need to select 2 feet length of slot diffuser, then we will multiply the throw in the table by 8. For 3 feet length by 0.9, and for length from 6 to 8 feet, we need to multiply the throw values by 1.3. Similarly, if we need to select a slot diffuser of length 2 feet, then we need to add -3 to the NC values in the performance sheet. For a length of 3 feet, we need to add -1.5. For slot diffuser length of 5 feet, we need to add +1 to the NC value. And for selecting the slot diffuser from 6 to 8 feet, we need to add to the NC value +2. Horizontal throw value in the performance sheet is given only for one-way pattern. If you need to select the grill for two-way pattern, then you need to follow this process. To determine the two-way throw, you can use the catalog data for the desired quantity of air from the number of slot in each direction and reduce the throw by 20%. How to calculate two-way throw for a linear slot diffuser? We will do a simple exercise. We have total airflow for this linear slot diffuser equal to 360 CFM, and the linear slot diffuser length is 4 feet. In one horizontal direction it has 240 CFM airflow, and in opposite horizontal direction the flow is 120 CFM. Now we will calculate the throw for this two flow. We have airflow value 240 CFM for 4 feet length. So the CFM for 1 feet will be 60. So we will select this column, and this performance sheet is for 3/4 inch slot with linear slot diffuser. Then let us see, the NC value is 47 for one slot, and for two slot NC value is 33. Let us go to the 1 inch slot width. For 60 CFM per feet, NC value for two slot is 28. This is less than 30, so we will accept it, and the throw value is 22 to 26. This two throw value, you know, this 22 is a terminal velocity 100 and 26 is a terminal velocity 50 fpm. Then for 120 CFM, so the CFM per feet will be 30. Then we will see for one slot, NC value is 25, less than 30. Then the throw is 15 to 19 feet. We have selected these throw value from the performance sheet. For 60 CFM per feet, 22 to 26, and for 30 CFM per feet, 15 to 19 feet. To calculate two-way throw, we need to minus from these throw value 20%. So we will multiply these throw value by 0.8. So after calculation, we will get the final throw for 60 CFM per feet will be 18 to 21 feet, and for 30 CFM per feet the final throw value will be 12 to 15 feet. With the help of these deflection blade, we adjust the flow for linear slot diffuser as per requirement, if we need horizontal or vertical, or one way or two way. We have two number of adjustable deflection blade in each slot of linear slot diffuser. which help us to generate different flow pattern. You can see it is horizontal left pattern, it is horizontal right throw pattern, it is fully vertical, and it is fully close. These are different flow pattern for linear slot diffuser, which we get with the help of adjustable deflection blade. It is for two-way horizontal throw, it is one-way horizontal throw, it is vertical and horizontal throw, and it is for vertical throw. We use linear slot diffuser in different shapes. You can see this is sidewall inside corner, this one sidewall outside corner, and this one ceiling corner pieces, this one single piece, and it is continuous consisting of different pieces.